Coton 2-1, check. Cyrano, Coton 2-1, bonjour.
Coton 2-1, Cyrano, bonjour, radar 65, log advisory control, continue climb above 200, continue on heading due to Coton 2-3, west opposite southbound.
Coton 2-1 is maintaining present heading and request to climb at level 280.
To climb level 280.
Coton 2-1.
Coton 2-1, parrot suite, area at halt.
Coton 2-1 is ready for Alpha check the Rose 17037.
Cyrano.
Coton 2-1, copy. And Coton 2-1 is ready to check safety. Coton 2-1 request to proceed on cap.
Coton 2-1, you are clear maneuver.
Coton 2-2, report visual. Visual! You can proceed on cap pattern.
Coton 2-2 is on station. And try. Coton 2-2 is reflecting short. Pardon?
And confirm, Cyrano, you will still be able to perform the mission. Coton 2-1. Coton 2-1, check fuel.
2-2, 3.3.
Leader same.
2-2 is turning call, picture clean. Cyrano, Coton 2-2, picture.
Cyrano, single group start moving into the road 1707, 24,000, to contact, bandit. Drag.
Radar, advise turning hot.
Cyrano.
Coton 2-2. Cyrano, picture.
Cyrano, single group. The road 1207, 24,000, track north, to contact, bandit.
Copy, Coton 2-2, connected.
Suggest 2-2 to reset on cap.
2-2 is on cap, will drop and reset.
Code 0090, 13, 24,000, to contact, bandit. Single group turning hot, 095, 10, 24,000, hot, bandit. To contact.
Coton 2-2, come in. Coton 2-2, commission. 2-2 is target sheet 03010, 30,000, outside.
Copied, single group altitude stack 20,000, 30,000. But outside.
Copy, target sheet strength 2, 50,000, suspect striker 0,000. East group.
Coton 2-1 alive. Cyrano picture. Coton 2-1 is contact the road 35033, 35,000, track 310. Cyrano confirm hostile the road 35035, 35,000, track 330. 2-2 confirm Angel.
3-5.
You are crossing opponent 34,000, 24,000.
2. Coton 1 is contact the road 35037, 37,000, track to 900.
Pas 5.
Groupe de rose.
C'est que t'accrocher toi.
Ouais, je sais. J'ai demandé à descendre, mais j'ai pas pu.
Confirm 5 nautical miles.
5 miles.
2-1-2-2, we reset on MOB.
2-1. Coton 2-1 is 34042, crossing MOB. Block 3.
Copy, managed to be punctured block 2.
Window.
And your leader is the Rose 33030.
Copy.
To Cyrano, and your opponent for 1005 miles block 2.
2.
To landing, you are clear to the
Block 2, thank you.
2-2 caution, we are close.
Ferme.
On n'est pas loin l'un de l'autre.
Ferme le clean. 2-2 Century, block 2.
1. Confirm posit.
The Rose 32043.
Coton 2-1, flight time is 30 miles.
Coton 2-1, can you say your posit?
Coton 2-1 is Doros 31043, reaching beginning of hard leg for reform.
Copy visual.
Clear to join.
Clear to join.
2-1 is continuing left and down. 2-1 and 2-2, we are both alive.
Alive.
Cyrano picture.
Cyrano, 2 groups.
1-2-2, we stop on heading 080.
080.
2, you flat north.
What now?
Cyrano picture. Coton 2-1 is targeted Euro 350 37 25,000 track 230. Single contact.
Copy accepted.
Contact is maneuvering now. Turning cold. From Cyrano, both contact turning cold.
Cyrano AFM, single group Euro 350 34 25,000 drag.
2-2 status.
2-2 has got a tone, but no contact.
Copy, hostile is Doros 36035 34,000. Maneuvering. Now track north.
Still good tone.
2-2, you can aim for striker.
2-2.
Current 1 has the same.
Ton 2-2, status low.
Current 1 is pumping.
The ton 2-2 is picture clean low. Rambert picture low.
Cyrano picture low clean. Single group opening azimut north-south 5. North arm de Euro 340 37 34,000 track west outside.
The ton 2-2 is pumping.
30,000 steaming south outside.
2-2.
Steaming south.
Current 1.
Coton 2-2, you are free.
2-2 is returning Doros 330 for free. 2-2 is targeted 350 47 25,000 drag. Copy.
Current 1 request to de-elevate Sanctuary Block 2 track 060.
Coton 2-2, you are free.
So for Coton 2-1 request de-elevate Sanctuary Block 2 track 060.
Coton 2-1 North group bras 060 24 34,000 drag. North group outside.
1.
Cyrano North group Doros 360 20 34,000 track south outside.
2-1 targeted.
South group approaching safe. Doros 030 5 23,000 outside.
Current 1 is targeted Doros 360 15 34,000 track 1 9 5. Current 1 pumping.
Coton 2-1 Cyrano confirm you remain subsonic.
Current 1 is now track 240.
Confirm subsonic.
Affirm. Cyrano status South group.
Cyrano status North group.
North group
2-1.
Cyrano single group crossing plus southbound 00509 23,000 outside.
Current 1 cockpit check.
2-2 has got 2.2.
Clean. And 2-1-2-2 we reform as a single group, not sortable.
A non-sortable single group, copy.
Ah, disregard, on va faire sortable parce qu'ils l'ont pas fait tout à l'heure.
Copy.
And 2-2 you can turn hot.
2-2 turning hot.
And check fuel 2-2.
2-2 2.2.
Leader 2.4. And 2-2 you report visual.
Will do. Visual.
Battle East.
Battle East.
And we turn cold.
Turn cold.
2-1. 2-2 we climb. Sanctuary Block 3.
2-1.
Cyrano, picture.
Single group marking the road 150, 13 and 20,000, 25,000, 2 contact, eastbound.
Me maybe.
Maybe.
And we speed up 0.9.
0.9er. Marking.
360. Toto, you can maintain 350.
350.
40 degrees angle bank.
40.
2-1.
500, timber contact on the 5-3. Rayak 5-1, you are unreadable.
Colon 2-1 has a contact 022015 35,000, track 330. 2-1. 2-1-2-2, we turn cold.
John call?
2-1-2-2, we reverse by the right. Track 150.
Reverse 150.
Cyrano picture. Colon 2-1 has a contact 00506 45,000, track 315. 2-2, you target east arm.
Copy, in the dark so far.
Copy.
Got it.
2-1-2-2, we pump outside.
Ramp outside.
And 2-2 straight.
Sure.
Colon 2-1.
So single group mentioning Boyo 06510, 21,000, contact, 2 contact, infrapipe.
Cyrano, Coton Tutu, request elevate block 2, heading 350.
Cap elevate block 2.
Allez.
Colon 2-1, bug it up.
Colon 2-1.
Toto, you are clear to pop up.
Say again.
You are clear to pop up when able.
I'm below the cap station. So expect the sooner to be in 5 miles.
Say again. Hey, firm, Coton 2-1 is dead.
Coton Tutu will be on QRA in 3 miles.
Copy. Speed check.
1.8.
Leader 2 tons. Expect 10 miles playtime. 2-2 posit.
Tutu is the rose 31538.
Copy, we reform together inside MOB.
We reform inside MOB.
And we proceed at a single group, no sortable.
Single group, no sortable.
Leader is reaching the rose 30040.
Cyrano, Coton Tutu, request bras on 2-1. Coton 2-1, confirm your heading.
330.
Copy.
Any request?
Copy.
2-1 is turning left.
Visual.
You have to join.
You have to join.
2-1 to 2 alive. So Cyrano, Coton 2-1, request RTB. Affirm my DFH, confirm for the terminate call. Copy. Coton 2-1 is taking heading 060 initially.
Copy the heading.
Coton Tutu, Joker.
2-1. Coton 2-1, fence out.
Fence out.
Coton 2-1. Request opposite of Coton 2-3.
Coton 2-3, the rose 35523 inbound the EF flight level 175.
Copy, so Coton 2-1, we are ready to begin descent.
Copy, descent flight level 1905 initial.
Descending flight level 1905, Coton 2-1.
Cyrano, west lane 2 groups, range 12, lead group, Boyo 1905, 38,000 track west, outside 2 contact, trail group, 23,000 track south, outside 2 contact. For snap 340, 35, 22,000, track south, outside. And Cyrano, east group, maneuver head, Boyo 050, 22, 19,000, track south, outside.
Coton Tutu, request 1-1 front.
Heads up, flight 1, line 7000.
3421, Coton 1. Request to take track north. 1 request to take heading north. To find conditions, Victor Mike would bend inside to for a low level departure. Side Romer 55, Victor Mike conditions. Confirm not granted.
Standby.
Going critical 1 5.
Copy that.
Factor group, Boyo 21523. Tank 34,000, 16,000, outside. 2 external maneuver, copy. No heads up, group over lane, Boyo 1807, 26,000, track south, outside. Tierno East lane, single group, Boyo 12515, 26,000, track south, outside. Full picture, 2 groups, range 15, lead group, Boyo 2859, 7,000, track south, outside. Green group 16,000, maneuver head, outside. Tierno 2 groups, crossing over Boyo in stack, block 3, block 0, outside. Tierno copied 4142, you hit block 1. And Tierno heads up avalanche east lane. 4 group east lane. Tierno copy. Hello. Just heads up middle low group Boyo 19516 2000 track south outside. To contact. 3132 posit nearest group previous south group Bra 130 10 5000 maneuver south now. Copy, standing. Rocket 1, Tierno, you confirm Victor Mike condition? Rocket 1, Tierno, copy, just contact on 1 VFR flight, Bra 285, 40 miles, opposite track, estimated 3000 feet. Rocket 1, Tierno?
Charlie Zulu. King as fragged. Check 22020. Speed down to level 120 Coton 61.
Affirmative, only Romeo 55.
5 Charlie Coton 61.
Right, report to me. Tierno, copy, flight is on 1016.
Affirmative, and expect RTB of all the Coton at 05 in 10 miles.
Copy, 140.
Would request 6162 to proceed on Rambert frequency for RTB. Picture. 61 hot. Affirmative, please.
Insane and targeted now 04016 and just 34.
Spike.
040.
Copy. Coton 61, picture Clara, naked.
Naked now, hostile maneuvering 330 now.
Confirm 330?
Affirm.
Copy, clear to push.
Pushing. Copy. 62, faded now, picture. Something right. Something 62.
Coton 61, planning sanctuary block 3.
Copy, I will stay block 3 initial.
260, Bra 26016, 30,000, track west, outside.
Copy, monitor. Coton 61, gadget bend.
Okay, 62, request snap on leader.
61, buffer east, reverse west.
Gadget bend 62.
3015, 29,000, track south, outside.
62, targeted 06035. Faded. Look it up. 62 is in sanctuary block to spike 250.
Spike range 13.
61, naked, 62, notch.
Notching.
Spike, notching.
62 naked now.
Copy.
62 request, forget up on target. Right.
62, target Bra 20513, 22,000, wind cross with 61. Steady.
Magadov 61.
61, check Bra 1854 miles. Chasing you.
Okay.
61, 62, Bra 1857, track north. Straight Bra 1806, 23,000. We check 10 o'clock, 2 miles.
Confirm engines, please.
23,000. 4,000.
Stadio, confirm able to merge. 62, Stadio, confirm clear to merge.
Affirm.
Copy, merge.
Combat floor 120.
1-0. Coton 61 passing heading 120.
Confirm you want to join 62 and 63?
Affirmative, clear request to dive sanctuary, block 1.
Clear to dive sanctuary, block 1. 62 and 63, Bra 270, 7 miles.
Looking Coton 61 and request 61 and 62 to switch on Rambert frequency.
Copy. Check with Rambert. One mix up Bra 320, 3 miles.
Okay.
62, contact Rambert Delta 21, correction 141, Delta 141.
Switching Rambert pad 141, Coton 61. Coton 61. Coton 61, 62, we push pad 141. 141.
141.